Out of all of the events, for me, this is one of the biggest ones where everyone in the industry gets together.
I'm here from Google Workspace today, and I think it's important to meet people, spread what we're doing, share more information as well, and this is an audience that's very interesting to talk to.
So I'm here today to give a talk on Is Big Brother Here to Stay? So I'm exploring the role of employee monitoring software in the call and contact centre.
So we've gone from a fully based office to hybrid. How do we make sure that we deliver what we need to our customers, but also deliver what we have to our agents to make their well-being the best it can be?
I research music fandom to see what it is that we can replicate in the business world to help turn customers from customers into fans.
I think people are coming to shows like this firstly to gather information. I think to have those deeper conversations.
Understanding what other people are doing, understanding what other challenges are being faced, and understanding that you're not alone.
It really does make a difference in helping us realise what matters, essentially, and that's people.
I've been asking a lot of deep questions about, data storage, about all the horrible IT things.
I've spoken online to many vendors over the course of the last 12 months. I can't remember any of them. Face to face, it's just sort of somehow a bit more meaningful.
I'm looking forward to having a little wander now and to see what folks are offering.
Oh, I love it. There's so many cool people here. Everyone's trying to do things to advance and evolve customer experience.
It's really nice to be at large-scale events like this, and it's really good to see people. There's a really good buzz in the air.
It was great to be out and talking to people.